Alright. I am in the beach parking lot, about to suit up and wax up a board, and we're gonna go surfing in some Hurricane Dorian waves. And not gonna lie, like, kind of nervous right now, because it's, after a long, waveless or swell-less summer. There's been swells here and there, but nothing the size of today. Today I'll be out there, and it's forecasted 7 to 12 feet. My heart's like beating out of my chest. And I'm breaking out a board that I haven't been riding, because I bring it out for, waves like this. So when you don't really surf a lot, and you're gonna go out on a board that you're not used to in some big waves, I'm probably gonna get pummeled today, just beat the hell up. So hopefully you guys enjoy watching that. I know I will enjoy doing it. I just hope I don't hit a rock. But hopefully, maybe I can tuck into a barrel or just get some sweet rides or whatever. I've been getting better, so let's go out there. Things to not think about when you're about to paddle out. There were 3 great whites eating a dead whale off of Duxbury, which is like a couple miles from where I'm surfing, so that's exciting. So we aren't even half as far out as I usually am. The waves are massive, and there's a huge current, and so you just got to pick a good spot and hope you don't you hope you don't drown, I'll probably take this one. Maybe not. Yeah. See, you gotta be in the right spot. I may or may not be in the right spot. Alright, I think we got a wave, so just hold your friggin' horses. Maybe. No. Come on. Oh, right there, yeah. Yep. Alright. Currently positioned in the foam. This is where the waves usually break. Right on top of your head. There's huge current out here today. So it's really tiring to paddle, especially on a shorter board. Look at that. That's what we want. Kind of like this one. Come on. No. So nervous about sharks. So nervous about sharks in the water. Okay. So now what we have is the big waves crashing way out back and hopefully reforming right here. This one's not going to do it though. This one looks like it might. Alright. What's this one doing, huh? Nothing. I know a wave will crash here, because they crash everywhere. Look at that one. That's what I want to be on. So yeah. Yep. It's supposed to get better as the day goes on. Look at all that.
that all lines up for like a good ride if it breaks. You probably can't understand the word I'm saying, but sorry.
One more paddle, I would have been in it.
Yeah.
Finally made it way out to the break. Wind's throwing us south. Pushing us away from shore. Here's some waves.
Gotta paddle into the danger zone if you want to get pitted.
Alright. Look at this. That's setting up nice.
This one's setting up better. Okay. Shit.
Messed up that last one because I was gonna take off too late and I got afraid. Hey, that's something you can't do. You can't be afraid. You have to go. Stupid. But here we are waiting for another one.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. You make that. Oh. Yeah, they pop out of nowhere. Oh.
Should have brought my bigger board. Don't bite. Look how pretty this board is. That's a wave. It's either you're too far out or you're not far enough. Gross.
Total idiot right there.
I got one of them, I know. If I can see. Need my hair long enough to ponytail it when I'm out here. Come on. What's over this way? What's that one gonna do, huh? I gotta just take off on a peak. Big face. I just gotta shoot down it and come out. Like this one.
No. Yeah, huge out the back. Huge. Jesus. Oh! I was in that and I didn't go because I couldn't see. Ah.
Oh, kind of getting blown off the brake, but there's been outside waves like this. It's not gonna form though. There will be one. Patience.
Or go for it. Yeah. Oh shit. I knew I was in a good spot. I knew it. Now I'm kind of in a bad spot. Yeah.
Never mind, it's pretty good. I'm nervous.
All right. Look at that bucket. No. Okay, here's a set.
Oh!
He definitely ate shit. Oh, you ate it! Oh my god!